So this is the handle. I'm going to mount it here. Unscrew this part so that this can come out. Okay, just make sure you open this up, you know, like this. Just put it here. Now to tighten it, it's pretty easy. Turning it clockwise, then push it in, then turn again. Yeah, that's all. Alright, now use this screw to tighten up. This is for you to loosen it so that it can go down. Yeah, then you can turn it over left and right, 360 degrees, however you like it. Yeah, very simple. Just push it in. Okay, now to put the pop filter, you're gonna put it here. Yeah, just to tighten it up. Okay, now this is right in front of the microphone. Okay, there you go. I'm just going to secure it. Okay, now it's secured. I'm gonna put into the phantom power, okay, to the input. All right, now both is connected. This will goes into the phantom power. All right, so I'm just going to secure it. Just nice. This is to the V8 sound card. Condenser mic. Okay. This one still have one more thing left. Yeah, which is the power, DC 5 watt. Okay, this is basically goes into this. Okay, so this is easy. Yeah, plug in this one. Now it's plugged in, so this is going to my plug over here later on. This is the cable or to charge the V8 sound card. Yeah, so I'm going to just click the this. The black one will now will charge this one, and the white cable will now charge the V8 sound card. On it, this is on. This one, the red light is on, means it's charging. Okay, so I'm just going to connect this headphone to the earphone speaker port. Okay, now I can listen to what I say on the mic. I need to connect it using adapter. This cable now goes to either live 1 or live 2, up to you. It's the same actually. So I just go for live 1 to show that this is the first phone. You can do live for both IG and also Facebook, you know, using this. You just talk at one time and you can do live for 2 phones, okay, for 2 different programs or apps. I think I have all the things connected. And give us a thumbs up if you can. And thank you very much. Have a nice day. Goodbye.